Hi, I'm Tammy of A Peach Life, and today I'm going to share with you a little look at my desk area, and we're going to just do the right hand side of my desk area today, and I wanted to show you the items that I use to organize. On the left here, this is a little doTERRA essential oils box. Since I am a doTERRA rep, of course, we're always looking for ways to utilize things, and so it was just perfect. It's a great price point too. I think it's like $14.99, and I'll give you a closer little look at that. This here's a little vintage jewelry box that I painted, and I got it for like, I believe $16 at a little local here in Peachtree City antiques shop. I know some people can't bear to paint little antique items, but I'm sort of obsessed with chalk painting all of them. And it's also a music box. So I love that that still works. And then lastly is my IKEA organizer. And I've had a video on this before, just kind of giving a closer look at it when I first got it. So I'll show you how that's set up. And it's always changing. And right now, the left arm is closed in order so that it fits nicely here on my desk area. And underneath, I have some little things stored. So it just works out lovely. And then on a future video, we'll go into this side and over here. But for now, oh, I will show you. I redid my little shelf here. I just love it. It has my little favorite items, and show you a little more of that in the future. Today we're listening to Disney Instrumental, which is always my favorite. Disney has lots of those. It's on Apple Music, and it's just like a little favorite for creating with. Well, let's get started. Okay, so here's the doTERRA organizer. It fits all my little frixion stamps. I've got quite a bit, so this was like the perfect organizer for that. It closes and has a little latch. I know I've shared this on my Instagram before and had a little link, but I can always post a new one for you. I added some little stickers just to sort of decorate that. And then these little stamps from jet pens. And then I get these of my items kind of all over, but jet pens, Tokyo Pen Shop, Etsy, so on. My little organizer spinner is from Home Goods, TJ Maxx store. And you know how like that's always different, like what they carry, so it's hit or miss. And then my little chip pin from Disney World, which is perfect to hold my Sarasa, which are like go-to pens for me, and my scissors. And then the cute little jewelry box turns craft supply organizer for me. So I'll give you a little look at the items and things that I have inside. And this is perfect for the little items that I can easily just grab to utilize. And this is the right hand side of my desk area, so it's like my easy grab items. Oh, there's the little jewelry box part. Isn't that so cute? And here I just keep, this is kind of like a little catch-all. Oh, my lip gloss. I love that. This is like a little lip gloss from when I was a kid. Depending on your age, we were kids. And they make them again, so it's just perfect. And then I have this little cute buzzy tin, which I love tins, and it's just sort of storing and collecting my little items for my tea journal. So I have an upcoming video for you of my new little tea journal I'm going to put together with you. A lot of times I've been just putting my tea in my regular art journal, which is fine, but it used to be separate, and I really do want it separate again. So I'm setting up a new little tea journal. For me, it just feels a little more special. And then I have this little sleeve organizer, which holds, I'm gonna pour that out right there. This is B6 size. I mean, I probably say the name wrong, but it's like Baumkuchen. They have a really cute shop. They're in California. I think it's right near Pasadena. Oh my gosh, so cute. So Pasadena is where we lived in California, but Pasadena is where we had been wanting to move when the kids finished school. And we decided to move there just before they finished school. And somehow, in looking for our homes in Pasadena, we ended up in Peachtree City, Georgia. So you really never know where life is going to take you. So this is my journal. I'm not going to show you the pages inside because this really is like my thoughts of not every day, but very personal. And then this is my gratitude journal, and I love that. And again, I won't be sharing inside there, but it's just lovely. I just love writing in this journal. It's so great. It's sort of a canvas, and then the back has a little leather and a spot for a stencil or a little ruler. It's very cute. Okay, so we weren't going to be getting into all of that, but it was so cute I had to share. So in the IKEA organizer, it's really great because it keeps a lot of my little like stationery pads and things like that, which are nice to use in my little creative journaling. And it's an easy little spot just to kind of flip through what I have here and utilize those items and enjoy them. I also have here my little doodling books. That was definitely something I said that I wanted to do more in my planners this year, and I have been a bit, but it certainly has been fun, and I'm glad that I'm incorporating it. I definitely need to step that up a little bit more. Let me share this one with you. It's very cute. I love that it has ideas for your Hobonichi in it. It's very cute, along with other type of journals. Okay, and then I went ahead and removed the elastics on these different little organizers for you so I can easily show you what's inside. So these are my stickers I use from the monthly Sticky Club subscription that I partake in. So this is a great little organizer to keep them in. The sticker is from Sweet Ava's shop. And then these are my little washi, the little keto washies from King Gem. And I'll show you a little look at them. I feel like I have a little video where I showed all of them and what they look like inside. If not, that's definitely something I can do. And these are also the little King Gem organizers. So this is the little individual pocket one, which is super great for all those little flake stickers that we have. So those little flake stickers come in these, usually these type of little packages. And once I open those up and utilize them, I put them either in here or if there's only a little tin that I have. Okay. Next is also, they have another little version, which is the release, like sort of transfer paper that you can put stickers. Sorry, let me show that a little better. That you could put stickers. I like to put bits and pieces of washi tape when you, that are either mine or when you trade with friends. I can never take like, oh, too much of someone's washi tape. Okay, so I love that. And it's really great to kind of just toss in your bag and have such a variety. And then this is another style of their organizers. And this is for your little sticker sheets. I'm gonna scoot over here. For your sticker sheets. So a lot of my little kawaii type ones, they all tend to be this size. I like to add here. So when I'm looking for these types of stickers, I know exactly where to find them. It's also a great grab and go. Okay, so these ones clearly I need to still add into the pages. All right, love those. These are like some of my favorite little guys. They're just so cute. They're the ones that are in here, the little sketchbooks. And then over here, so these are the little zip pouches my niece made. So she's 13 and she's got her little sewing machine. She does like such a little beautiful job. She presses them, everything. I'm gonna try to unzip one real quick so you could see inside. Look at that, with her little coordinating fabric. She just does so beautiful. So her little name is Cameron, but I call her Little Monkey. That's her little nickname. And then this is so cute. This is the Cinderella, and it has Susie and Gus Gus and his friend. Just adorable. And then Mickey. I love the gray zipper on the Mickey. And then inside, oh, it matches. So cute. And then I have this one. So it did not come with that little charm on it. I added that. And this is a cute little grab and go one that keeps fountain pen inks, tape runner, some scissors, glue stick, all that kind of stuff. It's like a perfect little toss in my little tote or backpack. Okay, so that is what's in here. Down here holds some 35mm, old 35mm film, and this was my mom's graduation like little box. Let's see. Oh, there you go. You can see all that. So this is a little spot that I don't need accessible, but that it can also hold and organize items as well. Okay, there we go. And then I'm able to still utilize this little area. So it was on my desk fully open before. It also has little lid covers. It also comes with a divider for each side. I'm not utilizing those, but I definitely save them. You do have to put it together yourself. It's from IKEA. I think it's like $29. I will post the link also of that for you. And then lastly, I don't think I shared the little classic-y box, which I have the larger one as well, and I'll do a video on that one. But this is perfect for like my little easy when I want to ink or stamp something. It holds several different inks. And then the little clear block stamps, which is just perfect, and a little stamp cleaner. If I didn't have this like so easily accessible right here, I would probably never use my stamps, but my goal is to start using them this year, and I have, not tons, but definitely much more than I did before. So, okay, so I hope you enjoyed the look at what's in these little options here. I've created a little bit of a mess, but I enjoyed showing you. And if you have any questions, as always, post them in the comments. I answer all of them. And if I know where I got something, I always share. I think it's super important to share those places and shops and things like that, and to kind of put that goodness out into the universe. And when you share and give, it always comes back to you. So I love that so much. If I don't know, I will tell you. Sometimes, like when you order in all these places, and I really keep and collect things over time, definitely hard to remember where everything is from, but I do my best to always try and share that with you. So thank you for joining me, and I will see you soon.